Nain and Nami and family. We sharing, we caring, we learn together and family. Yay! Yay! Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. And now I'm gonna show you the makeup of this Brianna, beautiful girl. And there's a warning in the back of the box. So you cannot use the makeup to children or even human. It's just for dolls, the makeup. So let's start to open it. Okay, totally.
Jadi makeupnya nggak bisa untuk anak kecil, hanya untuk boneka.
Bahkan orang gede nggak bisa. Okay, let's cut out this, I think, because it's kind of hard. And be careful when you use scissors. Don't cut the doll's hair. And I don't want to hurt my baby doll. It's opened. Woo-hoo. I got the doll. Gotta cut the back. Or just rip it. Oh, there you go, my dog, Rihanna. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. I love she's high. Is this like real, but not real?
Like real?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut out the doll and also all the makeups. So we've got a mirror. It has a plastic in it. And a hair comb for the doll. Oh, this is the best part. No way, I can't. It's kind of tricky. So the makeup, I'm gonna take it first. Oh wow, I love the color. It's nice, and it's the makeup. Come on. It can open, it has the place. It's hard. Now I can open. It has the shape of a strawberry. Okay, so we still have more to go. Don't forget the scissors. Oh, nice. The lipstick. Put it right over there. Okay, still have one more to go. It has perfume. Yeah, the makeup. Lipstick, perfume. And then just, perfume. Lipstick, hair comb, mirror, and the makeup. Okay, now is the best part. As you know, let's open it. Oh, I've been dreaming for this. Wait, seriously? Gawat? Okay, so I'm gonna open doll. Excited, but oh, nice background. And the doll is ready. She's here. Ah! Okay, just this thing is still stuck. Mom, can you help me?
Yeah.
So, this doll, I'm gonna name it as Brianna. The box will say it, but I also like the name. So let's start to make up her she. Okay, let's start. Open this makeup. Oh yeah, forgot. Before you make up the doll, don't forget to tie it to make it look like flash. Don't need to be so so neat.
Nggak
Okay,
bisa, itu nggak bisa dilepas.
So let's make up she. tie it. See this? Tie it up.
Itu yang pinggirnya.
Oh yeah. Let's tie it all together. Okay, there you go. And makeup time, of course. Open. Oh, finally, I've got to open it. Okay, so first, I think the eyeshadow is gonna be pretty. Come on, face to me, Brianna. It's makeup time. Let's open the makeup palette. And let's start a makeup. Show you eyeshadow. Pink, maybe? Or orange. Let's just mix it up. Pink and orange. Come on. Oh, I need more. It had 3 colors. Brianna. Come on. How can I not see the color yet? But it's showing orange here.
Yes.
Could you see already the color of orange? Because I can't.
Yeah, I see. I think,
A little bit more.
yes.
Okay. Come on. Oh, then I'll just use pink.
Pink with the cheek.
Oh, fine. It's actually shimmery, glittery.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's good.
Nice. Like it. Okay, the eyeshadow. Then I'll just get it pink again. Just to show the color. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, fine then. If you don't want to come out color, I'll just use green. Okay, green looks nice.
Brianna, where do you go? I'm going
Dancing
to
party.
Yes, I want a tea party with my
Alice
friends.
in Wonderland.
Okay,
Okay, green totally works.
let's go. Mua. Nain, you know Mua?
Where's Moa?
Mua,
I don't know.
makeup artist.
Oh.
Artist boneka. Tau nggak? Yang paling gampang tuh gini, Nain.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're pinky.
Chick. Tap 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 tap. Maybe a little pink in there. Well, whatever. Let's start with the eyeshadow. Oh, eyeshadow coming out with green. See it? Okay, I hope I can show you the color. Could you see the color, Ma? Gotta mix green with pink. Oh, I can see it. It's nice. She's nice. Fiona's good. Great. Okay.
Kiana, do you like the Nain makeup?
I know she's gonna say yes.
Yeah.
Can you see the color already, actually?
Yeah, this is pink.
And this,
This
the eyeshadow.
more. You need more green maybe,
Oh, okay.
or orange.
Let's just make those colors.
It's very soft. So Brianna,
Let's mix this color pink, green, orange. Could you see more, Ma? Could you see it? Could you?
Ya, itu cemong. Lipstiknya kena pipinya. Oke, udah nggak apa-apa, nanti aja. Jangan pakai lipstik, Mas.
She is gorgeous. Look at the crown. I want to be like you, Brianna, please.
Huh? You want like doll?
Doll can be anything. So pretty.
Dia nggak punya badan dan mau.
I cannot take a bath. Oh, forget something.
Oh yeah.
How is your style, Brianna? Did you like it? Marvelous.
Brianna, this is minyak nyong, Diana. Cerot. Ini parfum nyong.
It's the princess special perfume.
Brianna, let's use the parfum nyong parfum.
Oh, I need this. She's hair is kind of similar with mine. Is it?
No, Brianna is brown. You're black.
But when you see my hair super close, it's brown.
Kalau kena sinar matahari, maybe.
No. Just my hair is brown, but you can't see it. You can't. Because, I don't know, for some reasons.
Brianna, do you like your style?
You can see if you're pretty or not before you're seeing a mirror, right? I'm super marvelous. I know. Maybe just a hairbrush will help you more. Your hair is super soft. Okay, stay there. Because I'm gonna comb your hair. Just nice and slowly will take you super pretty. Now become a Superman. Okay.
Brianna, Nain won't like you. Bolong.
But whatever, she's still going to the dance party tonight. Because all of his friends is bolong too.
Coba diikat, bagus diikat deh.
Okay. Hair tie, any hair tie for the royal princess. Look at Brianna, Brianna, his sister is Brianna. Does she need to be this kind of hairstyle?
It's parfum.
I think this is the people that make this perfume, huh?
Are you finished?
Yes, I'm finished. The final touch is to say yay!
Okay, can you take picture with your Brianna?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching and playing with me in this video with Brianna, the piano. And I really love this doll. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye. I'm going to the party now. Oh, wait. You must attach your buddy first. Oh, just for a minute. read a book or maybe two or three. Something's good, maybe more than we. Read a book or maybe two or three. 'Cause I will read a book if I have time to spare.